Come on in, welcome to my home. I'm CM Coleman, and today I am going to install a watering system. It's probably going to take 2 days because I'm kind of lazy and it's actually late in the afternoon to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it, and then we'll probably finish it up tomorrow. But it is really easy. You could do this in just a matter of minutes. But what it is I have some plants in my bedroom that need to get, watered. Right now, I am watering them by hand with just a little watering can, which is fine. It works. It's wonderful. However, I could also save myself a lot of hassle and a lot of time by having these pre-programmed. It will then water automatically. I can decide how long I want to water, how often I want to water. Do I want to water more than once a day? We'll get into this. First thing we're going to do is set it up, and the system is so simple. I mean, it's made up of very few components. You have your actual programmer, and which is also the pump. Then you have the tubing, and then from the tubing you have a nice little, it's a chamber that will help make sure that nothing gets into the tube or clog up the pump. And so that way, your water goes into you put it in a jar, that goes down in there, and then it goes into the pump. From the pump, it goes through the tubing into a splitter, which then can pass it on to the other plants or put it into the pot. Then you have a drip emitter, which goes down into the soil. It's really simple. Let me get started and I'll show you what I mean. For the time being, I will use this jar as my water vessel. I'm going to put it right underneath here. Then we will connect our end right in there. I'm surprised it doesn't fit in this a little better, but it doesn't. So then put that there. And I'll put my first cut here.
dancing in your store. I'm looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild, it's your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Maybe forget about the consequences. Wherever we're going fast. On top of the world of our independence. Laughing whenever we screw it up. Go a little wild, it's your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
This is the thing that I ran into a little problem because I did not read the directions to begin with. So I realized that since it is battery powered, I put in my USB port, and then I plug that in underneath, and I'm getting ready to set it all up. And then once it's all plugged in and ready to be set up, I find out that no, it doesn't work. And there's a reason for this. The reason that it does not work is because while it is charging, none of the buttons will work. If you have it already programmed and it's ready to run and it's charging up, it will still work. But while it is charging, none of the buttons will work. And this took me some time to figure that out. But I did, luckily. Then, just to show that it works, I will use the manual settings, so you can just put it on manual operation, MO, and it will run. This is what it sounds like. And it's not bad. I mean, realistically, that's not bad. It's not loud, it's easy to program. I was going to show you how to program it, however, I couldn't film it correctly. So if you want to see how exactly to program it, but you can program the time that it comes on, the duration that it stays on, and then, you can set that up so it'd be maybe once a week, 3 times a week, every other day. It's up to you. The programming of it is pretty straightforward and easy. You can do that in no time. And before you know it, you have a whole setup where you are now not having to water. You can let it water itself. Now, the one thing that I will warn you is if you program it to water while you're asleep, it will wake you up. It will definitely wake you up. Mine was originally programmed to go off at 5 in the morning. I changed that to 8. I'm awake by 8. But it works wonderfully. You did notice that I was using a lighter at one point to get the tubing so it would stick around the connectors, and that did help some. It's not necessary because it was a colder day when I was doing this instead of it being blistering hot like it had been. So yeah, it does stick there. I've had no problems with disconnecting. I just keep the water filled and you're ready. This is a really nice system, especially if you have plants that are in containers that are all the same size. Now I am changing my 2 smaller containers. I will up-pot them. Up-pot them, yes. I will put them into bigger pots so that way it will then, you'll see all of it getting the same amount of water that it needs to. But it is something to consider. If you're going to do this, make sure that you are getting plants that need the same amount of water. Or if you have plants that need more water, put in more of the little drip tubes into there and it will give it extra water. This was straightforward, pretty easy. I'm really enjoying this. Like, I am enjoying this more than you could possibly know because I know that my plants are getting the water that they need. Do make sure to check your connections to make sure that nothing goes awry. Other than that, you are ready. It is all set up. It is great. I'm enjoying this. I really would encourage you to look for some sort of drip irrigation system for your indoor plants. At this time, I'd like to thank these wonderful people who are my Patreon members and also my channel members. They help keep this channel going and help us do bigger and better things, and we have a lot of Christmas stuff coming up. So if you want to join part of Patreon, see what's going on behind the scenes in my own life, or see what's going on behind the scenes as I make these videos, go ahead and do that. But you can also like and share this video. That lets the YouTube algorithms know that this is a good video. I hope you enjoyed this and hope we get to see you again the next time you stop by.